Okay, in this video we are going to review the elements of argumentation. If you think way back to when we were still in school around the beginning of March, we started working on our argumentative unit. We've already gone over the elements of argumentation, so this is just going to be a quick review. So the 6 elements of argumentation are purpose, audience, claim, evidence, reasoning, and counterclaim. So let's just quickly go through them. Purpose is the specific reason why you are writing to speak to the people. The goal of the writer or the speaker wishes to achieve. So, what are we trying to do? Are we trying to persuade? Are we trying to inform? Are we trying to convince? What are we trying to do in this piece of writing? Audience, before we can start our argument, we need to figure out who our audience is. What is the group of people that we are trying to target, and who are we trying to convince this certain belief? Claim is an assertion of something true, real, or factual. So we're just stating something that we can argue. If you think back to our lesson in class, we were looking at, or my claim was, driving while distracted is dangerous. Or driving while on your cell phone is dangerous. So that's something that people can argue both ways. Evidence is knowledge or data on which to base your belief, used to prove truth or falsehood. So we need supporting evidence so people know that there's some substance to our argument and that we're not just winging it. Reasoning is the logical conclusions, and that's just the why. Why are we arguing it? Why should you listen? Why should I convince you? And then an important part that most people forget is a counterclaim, a claim based on knowledge of the other side of a controversial issue. In order to have a strong argument, we have to be able to argue the other side. So having a counterclaim is very, very important.